Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 2-hour chart. Real quick, remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 2 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin to a random viewer over a 7-day period. Boom, free money. Let's go. Bitcoin, 2-hour chart. So previously, Bitcoin broke out of this downtrend, this yellow trend line. The price action has been working slowly higher. Just got rejected over the last 12 hours by this overhead resistance. Not too much of a surprise. There was bearish divergence. Really, the bulls need to show up, break this resistance, and then 42,000. A lot of things start to look better, right? Breaking this previous high. And then 44,000, 45,000. You know, the bulls have some work to do. Bitcoin 30-minute chart. So I'm finishing up editing this video, and the Bitcoin bulls holding this level as a higher low is in jeopardy. You can see Asia woke up, daily candle closed, and Bitcoin selling off. Let's see where this Bitcoin bulls need to bounce here. This red line is the point of control. Idea is bullish above this, bearish below this. So again, important bounce ideas. Otherwise, we take it level by level on a move to the downside. The most important thing right now is that the bulls need to put in a low that's higher than this previous low for this uptrend to continue. These altcoins have been doing amazing. They've been taking off. We've seen a lot of positive returns out of these altcoins. You know, we've seen like a 60% recovery on these altcoins, you know, since this bounce from the lows. And so all eyes are on Bitcoin. Everything, you know, as far as these altcoins, everything's very dependent on Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he said, thanks for the OGN setup. Recovered my losses from earlier this month, and I'm now back up 30%. You're the man. That's what this is about. Like, you got to be in the right coins, right? And how you recover. Like, Bitcoin's going to pull back. For the life of Bitcoin, you're going to have massive pullbacks, right? It's how fast you can recover. This person traded an ADA chart, made a quick $900. Boom, let's go. This person said, I was doubtful about paying for the whole year. I made that in 3 days. The group is cheap. The group is ridiculously cheap. It pays for itself in a couple trades. For this person, oversold bounces for the win, up $22,000. This strategy has been paying the bills. Listen, I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. At this point, OGN was up 25%. Simple bull flag breakout. Boom. Easy money. CELR, 38% gains in a short period of time, like in a day. In a day, this is a 1-hour chart, 38% out of CELR. IOHK came out previously on the 17th, and they stated our new incoming ERC20 converter is going to allow Ethereum-based tokens like AGI, which is singularity.net. It's
going to allow them to run on their proof of stake blockchain. So this is coming to testnet soon. Now, AGI is the first Ethereum to Cardano token migration that's underway. So they're creating this bridge to enable everyone to exchange their tokens from AGIX on Cardano to AGIX on Ethereum and vice versa at a 1-to-1 ratio whenever they want. Binance also announced that they're going to support this AGI hard fork and migration plan. So again, Cardano doing big things in the news. Here you see that Cardano is boosting its workforce as it gears up to introduce smart contract capabilities, according to its creator, Charles Hoskinson. So in a new video, he told his close to 200,000 subscribers that his team is hiring for key positions in preparation for Cardano's Alonzo launch in August, which is going to add smart contract capabilities to ADA. ADA's got a lot of news coming. They'll have, ADA's got some upside. Obviously, Bitcoin's got to hang in there and head in the right direction. Polygon, Matic is the ticker. Polygon announced this SDK, which is a software developer's kit. Going to introduce structure to the ecosystem. It's going to provide framework for multi-chain Ethereum to grow further and faster. It's going to be similar to multi-chains like Polkadot, Cosmos, etc., but with major upsides. Ability to benefit from Ethereum's network effects, higher security. Polygon chains can inherit security from Ethereum, be more flexible and powerful. So again, keep your eyes on Polygon. Phantom Foundation came out and they said, we're extremely excited to announce that Phantom, which is FTM, they're going to be the official partner for Petrona's SRT teams in MotoGP, Moto2, and Moto3. So again, Phantom branding is going to be featured on all the team's bikes. It's all about getting yourself out there, marketing. And so good to see Phantom putting things in motion. Bitcoin pullback. This Bitcoin pullback was the 6th biggest pullback in the history of Bitcoin. This pullback yielded the highest realized loss in the history of Bitcoin. Everybody that bought Bitcoin at 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, they sold, right? They said, whoa, man, I don't want any part of these losses. And they sold the bottom, right? And so essentially it's important to understand that these pullbacks are part of it. Let's look at some of the other huge, big pullbacks. This was from 20,000 and actually dropped down to 6,000. 6,000. I actually bought this dip. It ran up to 12,000. I sold at 11,000 here. Like, this is a pretty big, for me, is my biggest trade. When I really figured out that, hey, buy the dip doesn't work in a downtrend. So this is pretty pivotal for me. And then this pullback from 6,500 to 3,150 was a considerable pullback. And obviously the panic situation sell-off right here from about $11,000 down to $3,850 was also huge as far as the realized losses in the history of Bitcoin. So the most important thing is you got to take profits, right? You're constantly on the way up, you're constantly locking in profits, and then you rebuy on the pullbacks, right? Well, that's my trading strategy. PayPal, there's a lot of huge fundamental news been announced today. And I guess my concern or thought process is, why didn't Bitcoin pump on this news? And so PayPal is enabling Bitcoin and crypto withdrawals. So, not the biggest news ever, but a step in the right direction. Right now, you buy crypto on PayPal, you can't move it around, right? And so they've announced that users are going to be able to send their crypto holdings to offsite wallets. This, I thought for sure, would move the market. Apple seeks to hire alternative payments manager with crypto experience. Why didn't this pump the market is the question. This is the ad, jobs at Apple, business development manager, alternative payments out of California. One thing I want to make sure you guys understand is the possibility that this could play out, where essentially you had this head and shoulders, right? You could call it Wyckoff distribution. Either way, right? You got this huge move to the downside, breakdown, right? Price pumps up here and retests this original breakdown trend line and gets rejected. This high would be a lower high, and we might be in for more of a downtrend. And so, again, you just have to understand that, hey, there's a certain amount of possibilities that could play out, and this is one of them. And so some people on this bearish retest would look to take profits and then buy back lower. But the hard part of this is Bitcoin's back up to 45,000, 48,000, 52,000 potentially. Everybody's bullish, like the bull run. Let's go. Here it is. It's taking off. But just having the ability to separate your emotions from this and understand that, hey, realistically, there's technical reasons why things can change. And while everybody's super excited and, greedy, everybody's starting to get greedy again, understand that paying yourself, locking in profits, don't forget to pay yourself. You got to take your profits before somebody else takes them from you. However, long term, I'm super bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. How to improve the future or play with dogs. What about this Nano ad? I don't even know if this is legitimate or real, but why do they have broccoli in here? I'm just curious. Nano, healthy for you. Remember, Nano is free to send, and it's fast. If you've ever sent dogecoin, I've sent it's not super amazingly fast. It's definitely needs some work. But you could have Nano and broccoli too. Michael Saylor comes out. So this gentleman, Carl Icahn, he's the CEO behind Icahn Capital. He came out. Some people are saying he's pushing Ethereum. He's going to buy Ethereum. He's going to buy Bitcoin. This is all the talk on Twitter. Previously a Bitcoin skeptic, and now he's talking about buying $1 billion to $1.5 billion in crypto. People are saying he's going to buy Bitcoin. Some people are saying he's going to buy Ethereum. I didn't necessarily hear in the voice clip that I heard him specifically nail down any crypto. He just said there's most of these cryptos are going to fail, and I agree. Like, there's going to be some cryptos that obviously have longevity in this market. A lot of these, 99% of these coins will fail. So this is the person I was talking about. He's got a long-term approach to it. This crypto analyst, his name is Plan B. He's known for pioneering the use of the stock-to-flow model in predicting Bitcoin's trajectory. So he says, I'm willing to part with Bitcoin at a certain price level. What he's talking about is Bitcoin, it's either going to zero or $1 million, and I'm holding regardless. Long term, $1 million Bitcoin, like, it seems hard to fathom, but not too long ago, we were at $4,000 Bitcoin, ran up to $60,000 Bitcoin. After this pullback, will we run up to 100,000, 288,000, 300,000, and then pull back, and then halving, and then 1 million in that short period of time? I mean, those are big numbers. My main thing is, hey, let's focus on 100,000. Let's get there first. But having a long-term mindset is part of being in crypto. Like, all these people that bought the top and then sold in fear, they'll FOMO back into this market when the market starts taking off again. Coin dominance. And so I've talked to you guys previously about this idea where altcoins will bleed if this trend is higher, and it's been pulling back. It's amazing how well these altcoins have taken off since this Bitcoin dominance pullback, and this is always something to keep an eye on. Now, we talked yesterday about the total altcoin market cap and the bulls being important for the bulls to break back into this falling wedge, which has happened. Remember, the altcoins on average have recovered about 59% from these lows previously, so you should see pretty nice bounce in your portfolio. A lot of these DeFi coins, a lot of these smaller caps have been moving well over the past few days. Like, tremendous amount of upside. So we've been focused on those in the trading group. Ethereum, we talked about this yesterday. We're up about 30% in our Ethereum setup, but you got bearish divergence here, so move to the downside, this potential pullback. Overhead resistance. People take profits at resistance. So obviously for upside continuation, the Ethereum bulls need to break out above this level. Yesterday, 17,606 people saw this. Gaming retailer GameStop is building an NFT platform, and we said, hey, focus on NFTs. NFTs had a huge boom. CHZ up 23%. ENJIN, this is pretty cool news out of ENJIN. They airdropped 50,000 NFTs, and they're embedded in social media ads. My first NFT marketing campaign, which lays the ground for a revolution in how brands interact with potential consumers. Actually, these companies are driving sales because people can get these unique NFTs. They buy the products. I think pretty cool idea as far as this NFT airdrop. ENJIN saw amazing run up yesterday, close to 69% run up, moved to the upside. So again, ENJIN, very strong NFT type project. TVK up 49%. So OGN up 90%. The most important thing about being really successful at trading these altcoins is understanding what the rest of the market is pumping, what's moving, right? Because I mean, the herd trades solely on this idea, like what's pumping, and then find the coin that's similar that hasn't pumped yet. And sometimes it's as easy as that. And if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.